Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Martech Novera. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every website owner: Google Page Speed Insight. Ever wondered how fast your website loads for your visitors? Well, Google Page Speed Insights is here to help you figure that out. Let's check it out together. Step 1. Head over to Page Speed Insights on the Google search bar or type Page Speed Insights on your browser. It's a fantastic tool by Google that analyzes the performance of your website on both mobile and desktop devices. Now, why does speed matter? Well, for starters, it directly impacts user experience. Nobody likes waiting for a slow website to load, right? Plus, Google uses page speed as a ranking factor, so it can influence your website's SEO. As you can see here, Page Speed Insights gives you a score out of 100. The higher, the better. It also provides insights into areas where your website can improve, like optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, and more. So, how can you use this information to your advantage? Well, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start optimizing. Optimize your images, minify your CSS and JavaScript, and leverage browser caching. These are just a few things you can do to speed up your website. And there you have it, a quick guide to Google Page Speed Insights. Remember, a faster website not only pleases your visitors, but also helps your site rank better on search engines. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tech tips. Thank you again for being part of the Martech Novera family. Let's keep this journey of discovery and innovation rolling together.